Guys, ATM, another vlog na naman. Ito, bagong-bago. ADB 160 guys, 98 km pa lang yung tinakbo. Ayan, 98 km. Previous customer na natin si sir, syempre. Pangatlong motor niya na to. Ito, bagong-bago. Right now, ADB 160, Icon all the way guys. We have Icon Terra, 80 watts, naka-RM bracket. Tapos the same time, naka-Icon sequential siya. Ayan, naka-hazard to. Kung makikita nyo, white park light. Tapos yung running light niya is yellow. LTO legal guys. The same time Icon Terra. Ayan, naka stainless bracket na yan, stainless bolts, then powder coated na bracket. Syempre yung RM bracket pang matibayan, walang kaalog-alog. So may mga gusto, in-avail nito is package D guys. Except yung signal light, syempre naka Europa to. The same time guys, nag-avail na rin si boss ng ating premium passing light, which is came from Indonesia. Ito yung OEM left switch. Ayan, napaka-solid. Siyempre, stock horn, dual horn, Europa. Alright, passing light, passing, low beam, passing. Alright, ganun lang ka-basic guys. Switch mode in stock horn, switch mode in Europa. Ayan. So yung mga gusto mag-avail guys ng ganitong setup, ayan, wish nyo lang at an Indothai concept. Ayan yung mga packages natin, RM bracket, Icon Terra. We have Hella, we have syempre Gold Runway. Ayan, sa may mga gusto. Alright. Tapos kinabitan na rin pala natin to ng splash guard guys. Splash guard with the ANG product, came from Thailand. Napaka-solid, napakatibay. 304 stainless. Lahat pati mga tornilyo stainless yan. Napaka-solid. Ayan yung running light niya sa likod, pula, tapos dilaw. Alright, may mga gusto, wish nyo lang at an Indothai concept, ADB 160. Ayan, napaka solid.